Hey YouTube, if you want to know how to achieve this look, stay tuned. Hey YouTube, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. As usual, I just go in and give myself a shape. I already have kind of an arch, but not really. So I just go and give myself a shape with the light brown eyebrow pencil. And I always start with my eyebrows because it's much easier for me to do. I know most people sometimes start with their face, then their eyebrows. It's just easier for me to start with my eyebrows. So. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to fade it out with the spoolie that I have on the end of one of my old eyebrow pencil. Actually, I'm just going to fade it out with that. So now I'm going to go through with my angled brush and my MAC concealer. This MAC concealer I've had for over a year now. I barely use it, but it's my all go-to concealer for my eyebrows. It always leaves me with a nice clean cut look that I kind of go for. But yep, I'm just going to go under there and I'm just going to give myself a shade and I'm just going to fade it out. So here I'm just gonna blend it in so that it won't leave like a cakey look. You always want to blend your makeup in. I mean, that's just kind of where it is with this. But this is the part where I just blend this in so that the eyeshadow will look good. So yeah, that is the brush that I'm going to use to apply my eyeshadow. I'm going to apply purple. I'm going to put it on lightly. Then I'm going to get heavy as I continue to the look that I desire. Now at this point, I'm going to apply some blue in between the crease of my lid and the purple, just to give it like a transition color. I was kind of going for like a different bold look. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it right there in the crease, lightly of course, and then like add as much as I need after. So as I noticed as this time went by, guys, I noticed that this light, this natural light in my background, everything was not hitting on anything. So the ending look, it was really kind of, almost couldn't see it, but you'll see at the end I'll upload pictures in different lights so you can see how it actually turned out. So now I'm going to go in again with that MAC concealer and I'm going to kind of give myself another cut crease. I was thinking a halo, but then in the midst of it, I just said forget about it and just did a cut crease. As you see, I'm just kind of like giving it a shape and everything. Right here, I'm just going to pat down so that the eyeshadow can lay on a little bit better. And now I'm just going to apply that white eyeshadow on my lid. right in the creased area where the concealer is. So in between here, I'm going to put a like dark gray, almost blackish, to like give it a transitional color so it won't have like that harsh line. I'm just gonna fade it to give it almost like a smoky look. So now I'm just going to apply my self-made eyeliner. I could not find my eyeliner for anything, and the one that I did have was old, so I just wet some with water. I just wet some eyeshadow and I just applied it like eyeliner. Gave it the right consistency and just, it's easy. You can just do it. That's all. Every time I lose my eyeliner, this is what I do. So, and it works for me. So. Off camera, I just popped on some lashes and I'm going to start on my face. So as I'm about to apply my foundation, I notice in the middle that it is too dark right there. But I didn't let that stop me. I said, okay, I know how to finesse it. So I'm just gonna keep going and I'm gonna give it the look that I desire. People tend to always have a problem with finding their foundation that matches their skin. I know this matches me when I have a tan, and clearly my tan is gone, but I didn't let it stop me and I continue with this foundation. I was done completing my foundation, I noticed that I did not arch my eyebrows up top with the concealer. I gave myself like, a makeup arch. I did not do it, so I went back through and I finished that. So now I'm about to conceal my face with LA Girl. I'm going to go underneath my eyes. I'm going to hit my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So now I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush. I always feel like my foundation brush gives me the best outcome when it comes to blending. So I use it for blending, but it's really for my foundation. Yeah, so I'm using lipstick for my contour, guys. That's just my go-to thing. I think it has the great creamy consistency of regular contour sticks. So if you want to save money and you want that same look, brown lipstick does the job. And at this point, guys, I'm just sure Cardi was playing in the background because I was getting lit. So here I am fading out that lipstick on my nose, guys. I'm trying to give myself that snatched look. Okay, honey, period. Now I'm just applying some setting powder to my highlighted areas that I use the cream on. This is not the brush you're supposed to use. I noticed that after it was all over me, but I just used it anyways. So now I'm just gonna go in with it's a blush brush for my blush. I'm just gonna wipe that excess setting powder off. They have a brush for everything, guys. When I tell you I use brushes how I use brushes, if it works for me, I'm using it that way. So now I'm just going in with a powder foundation just to kind of like pat these harsh lines away that I have on my face, just so it could just look better, you know. So I told y'all I was trying to snatch my nose. It wasn't giving me that look, so I just went back through there with the lipstick and want to contour it a little bit more to give me the look that I'm looking for. So yeah, right here I'm just finessing it a little bit more, giving it that look that I want. Now I'm just gonna highlight my high cheekbones and little areas where I want highlight. So now I'm just gonna line my lips up with the brown, and then in the inside I'm gonna give myself a pink color, a pink gloss. So yeah, guys, that was the complete look. The light was not giving me any type of life, but this is how you complete this look. Real simple, real easy. This is the complete look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.